Quantifiers, universal quantifiers and existential quantifiers. The word quantifier implies quantity, how much, but how much in the following way. For the universal quantifiers, we have all, every, and no. For the existential quantifiers, we have some, there exists at least one. So how much? So for example, the universal quantifiers, how much? Well, all of them. For the existential quantifier, how much? Well, some of them. That's the idea. Negating a universal quantifier gives an existential quantifier and vice versa. So for example, some people like mathematics. Right here we're using an existential quantifier. Some people like mathematics. If you were to negate this to the opposite, the existential quantifier would turn into universal quantifier. So instead of saying some people like mathematics, the opposite, if you like, would be no people like mathematics. So we went from existential to universal when we negate the existential. This one is starting with the existential. There exists a natural number n such that 3n equals 6. If you negate this existential quantifier, it becomes a universal quantifier. It's like the opposite. So what would be the opposite of there exists a natural number n such that 3n equals 6? The opposite would be for all natural numbers n, 3n does not equal 6.